The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull down to pop off the ceiling of the glove box to have easy access to the cabin filter housing. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the filter access panel by aligning the tabs and then pressing until they click into place. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.